Today we are making Hawaiian Black Cod sliders, and I'll tell you what, this is a family favorite of ours. Scientific studies have shown how much omega-3 mothers consume during pregnancy and how much omega-3 kids consume when they're young has a measurable impact on their IQ scores, their verbal skills, and their social behavior. It's super easy with this black cod, nothing to it. The skin will just peel right off. The first thing we're gonna do is marinate our black cod in a very simple marinade of milk and Frank's hot sauce. Place our filet in here. You can of course cut it down to size so it fits a little bit better. And then we're gonna let that marinate for at least 2 hours. Sometimes I even let it sit overnight and it's just fine. While our fish is marinating, we're gonna whip up a spicy mayo to smother on our Hawaiian buns. It really kicks these sliders up a notch. So we've got mayonnaise, paprika, cayenne pepper, and more hot sauce. Next, we are gonna mix together our cornmeal to coat our black cod with. We have garlic powder, cayenne, paprika, salt, and pepper, as well as some seasoning salt. I always use Johnny's seasoning salt. It's my favorite, but you can use any kind that you like. So now that our fish is done marinated, I'm actually gonna cut it into smaller pieces, and then we're gonna dredge it in our cornmeal coating, and then it's gonna hit the deep fryer. Now it is time to assemble our Hawaiian Black Cod sliders.